box. And I'm going to open up the box. See what's inside. I know it's tech. These are solar lights. I love lights. I love lights. And these are different. Realize I'm doing a lot of solar lights because I love solar lights and I like unique solar lights. These I got on sale on Amazon. I've never seen this kind. This is to be like on a deck or a fence. The solar is up here. There's 2 holes here to put screws in. And the light will shine in here.
You have to turn it on.
Okay, so this is how it looks. It's just a white light. And you can either drill it or you can use sticky tape. The double-sided sticky tape comes with it. Screws come with it. And this is a box of 6. And it does come with the instructions. Just about to choose the right lighting. Just basic solar instructions. And it does tell you how to replace the battery. Because all solar takes is a battery. So, we'll be back with the solar light. And I'm going to take out these screws right here. Because I'm trying to get to the battery. That's the green that's in here. To replace it. Because the solar light is no longer working. So I'm going to change the battery. So I'm going to remove these screws right here. I've removed this screw. Now I'm going to remove this screw and lift this up to get to the battery under here. This circuit now delicately moved out the way to get the battery. It was easy to screw onto the deck, and I decided to put it on the sides of my deck and not to use the sticky tape. And this is the other side. And now let's see how it looks when it gets dark outside. There it goes from a distance. And this is how it is lit. I love lights. I love lights. Don't forget, comment, like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest,